guys, in this video we're gonna do something a little different. We are going to make some food using ingredients that I buy at the local bodega. And I've never been to the bodega here. They actually don't call it that, they call it a liquor store. So I don't know what I'm gonna get, I don't know what I'm gonna make, but stay tuned. Let's go inside. Hopefully they have vegetables. Let's see. Just left the bodega. I got a bunch of stuff.
Take care, girl.
You too. So we're gonna see what we can make with it. Actually, while I was shopping, I was trying to figure out what am I gonna make, because they basically have no vegetables at all. Actually, they had a lot less than what I thought they would, but it's okay, because I'm pretty confident that I can make something delicious, obviously vegan, with everything that I got. Oh my god, this is so heavy. Hi. I thought they were gonna have more. I thought they were gonna have some vegetables. I thought I was gonna be able to walk in there and be like, see, you can be vegan and only shop at the bodega. But I mean, at least here in LA, it's really hard, kind of, if you wanna eat vegetables that aren't from a can. So let me show you everything I bought at the bodega, and then we'll figure out what we're gonna do with it. All right, so these, I love the packaging. These are little tostadas. So, you know, tostadas are essentially fried or crispy tortillas. So, and here's the thing, I don't want to use any other main ingredients except for what I bought today at the bodega. But I can use spices, that's my rule. I can use other spices, but I'm gonna try not to, really. Some black beans, and oh, what's this? Oh, I also bought some organic refried beans, traditional, but vegan. I got pineapple slices. Oh, I had to buy a Coke. I'm sorry. Some bananas. All the bananas that they had in store. Oop, I bought them all. I got some white rice. I don't know, we'll see. This is the kind that's already cooked, and then you just stick it in the microwave to warm it up. I got some El Pato hot tomato sauce, and I got some sliced jalapenos, a couple more things. So we have some limon, some lime. And I think you know where I'm headed with this. I spent only, how much did I spend? Okay, I spent $17 for everything. Honestly, that's kind of a lot of money, but it's a bodega, so they're not gonna have regular prices like the grocery store. For example, these bananas were 50 cents each. I want to do, excuse me, I don't know if there's like an actual name for this, but I want to do like tostadas topped with the refried beans, topped with, I think I'm gonna do banana carnitas, banana skin carnitas, like I did for that other video. And with the actual banana, the flesh of the banana, I wanna do something too. I don't know what. Let me think that through. And with some crispy black beans. I think I'm gonna put these black beans in the air fryer and crisp them up. And then I also wanna make a salsa. So for the salsa, I think two things. So with the pineapple slices, I'm gonna use the pineapple juice to make the carnitas, because I usually would use orange juice for that, but they didn't have any orange. So let's use the pineapple juice for that. But we could also do maybe like a little pineapple salsa mixed with this. And now as far as the rice goes, I don't know why I bought this rice. But maybe I could do like a sticky rice. Why didn't they have coconut milk? If they had coconut milk, we could have done like a Thai-inspired sticky rice with banana. I do have some open coconut milk in the fridge, so if you don't mind me cheating a little bit, I think I really want to do that with the banana. That would be so good. Okay, so let's get started. We are gonna make the crispy beans. So like I said, I do this all the time. I'm just gonna do a little bit of, okay, chopping everything today. Little oil. This is going in the air fryer. You don't really need oil, but I find that it helps the spices stick if you put a little bit of oil. So that was a little avocado oil. Gonna do a little salt and nutritional yeast. Kind of a lot. Actually, I don't know. Is it a lot? A tablespoon or so of nutritional yeast. I have cumin, oregano. This oregano is actually from my friend Manju's yard or garden or farm. I don't know. She sent me wow, I'm really dropping everything today. What does it mean when you drop everything? All right, oregano from Manju and smoked paprika you must have on everything, but especially this. And then lastly, the most important, garlic powder. All right, so stir that up. This is why I make this all the time, because it is so easy. Okay, and then now I'm gonna put this in the air fryer for, I usually do like 375 for about 10 minutes. That's enough. They'll get nice and crispy. They'll pop a little bit. Mwah, just like that, perfect. The carnitas will be really nice in this because they have a meaty texture, which is great. So we're gonna be able to beans on meaty beans. Not meaty beans. Beans on meaty. Actually, before I cook this, let me just make the salsa really quickly because I'm curious to see what it's gonna be like. There's no chunks in this salsa. Why did they put yellow number? Why did they need to put yellow number 5? Oh my God, it's spicy. That is spicy. That is very spicy. That would be nice with that pineapple actually. I think this would be a nice little, the pineapple would make it more refreshing and give it some more chunks. So let's do that and make it not as spicy too. Okay, so pineapple salsa, anyone? It looks just like tomato sauce, but trust me on this, it does not taste like just tomato sauce. It's very spicy. I wish we could add some green to this. I like it. It's so spicy. I like it. Okay, let me move this out of the way. So we're gonna make the carnitas with what we've got right now, which is not much, y'all. It is not much. So some oil. You know what? Let me toast the cumin seeds. Bring out some more of that essence, you know? Banana skins. So let's go for some of the garlic powder, onion powder. Now I usually would add the orange juice, but as you see, we don't have orange juice, so we are going to be using pineapple juice. Okay, it's cooking, we cooking. Okay, let's see what else. That's it for now. And these just need to have time to saute, to, let's say, have time to braise. Braising the banana skins. I'm gonna put the lid on them, let them cook for about 10 minutes until they get nice and soft. That's pretty much it. Also in the meantime, I'm going to warm up the refried beans on the stove. I'm just gonna pop this in a pot and warm it up. So our beans are out, looking good and crispy. I'm just gonna season it with a little soy sauce. The soy sauce is so good over salt because it's got that umami flavor, which is really nice. Makes it taste more meaty. So I haven't tasted this yet. It's a little different than how I usually make it because it's got garlic and onion powder. That's kind of weird. All right, so let's open up the tostadas. Wow, the refried beans look so good. So yummy. Then we're gonna go for the banana. And then we're gonna top it with the beans, the crispy beans, okay? Oh, that's cute. We have some falling off to the side. And then we have our salsa as well. The very spicy piña salsa. I'm not gonna put it right in the middle. I'm gonna put it like on the side. Let's do a wedge of lime. We'll squeeze the lime. Looks good. All from the bodega, you guys. And I only used like 5 ingredients, so that works. Okay, I have to give it a try. Oh look, it's a table. Gotta give this a try before we move on to dessert, so. Okay. Okay. This works. I'm happy with this. Not gonna mess. Number now, and a little stringy. I love the texture of the banana carnitas. Really, really yummy. Tender, meaty, flavorful, and then the creamy refried beans, and then the crunch of the air fryer black beans. It's so yummy. And the spiciness is perfect. With the sweetness from the pineapple, super good. It actually balances everything out. So that extra spiciness really, really is wonderful. Much appreciated. Okay guys, so now that I have succeeded in making a delicious entree, we're gonna make a equally delicious dessert. We're gonna cheat a little, right, with the coconut milk, but otherwise it's gonna be great. All right, for dessert, we're gonna do the bananas and the pineapple. So for this, I already turned on my broiler. Like I said, I wanted to do like grilled pineapple, but I'm not gonna grill. I don't want all that smoke and I don't wanna go outside. So broiler is always my go-to when I want something grilled. And I'm just gonna, I have never done this, okay? But I'm doing it right now. I think I'm only gonna use one of these bananas. The others I'll save. For these, let's just keep them whole. And I have no idea what's gonna happen to these canned pineapple. It's not, of course, the same as grilling fresh pineapple, which it's caramelized and so yummy. Not like that. So let's see. It's like I made a little face, eyes, mouth. All right, let's stick it in the oven. So I put my coconut milk here in the pan. So I'm gonna add, let's do like 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons of coconut sugar. And that's gonna be the only thing we add to thicken it up. The coconut sugar will also give it a little bit more color. Soon we're gonna have sticky rice. Yum. Time for dessert. Anyone want dessert? Okay, ooh, look at that. Rice, the easy way. So it's not as like toasty looking like I wanted it, but that's okay. It smells really good actually. So here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking we'll put the pineapple at the bottom. This one looks better. This one's a little bit more color on it. Pineapple on the bottom. And then we'll put some rice on top. Now we're gonna do the coconut milk over the top. Gourmet style. There we go. And then we're gonna do the banana. How about, is it weird to just put one banana on top? Perhaps, but I'm going to try it anyway. Press it in like so. Okay, that looks pretty good. Should I give it a try? Or not. Wow, it's really good. I'm gonna try it by itself with no fruit. It's funny, I gotta say the rice kind of does taste like plastic. I think we have a winner. Wow, 2 winners from the bodega. I'm saying. And at a lot of bodegas, especially in New York, you can buy coconut milk there, and you can certainly buy sugar at any bodega. So you really, I could have made this without having to cheat. Oh my God, okay, I think we're done here. We made an amazing meal, had our entree and our dessert. Welcome to my bodega restaurant. I'm gonna post the tostadas on my blog, so the link will be down below. I hope you guys will give it a try. Mwah, delicious. Get the ingredients wherever you must, including the bodega. Doesn't matter, don't discriminate. It was fantastic. So I hope you guys love it. This was a lot of fun. If you wanna see other videos like this, you know, I like the experimenting videos. If you haven't noticed, I've been doing a lot of these recently, but they're super fun for me. So if you want me to experiment with anything else, have any ideas, let me know. Just leave a comment down below. Also, give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next week with another delicious video. Bye. Yeah. Cooking the pineapple actually.